Assalamu alaikum, friends! Today, Ali wants to learn something very important. Wudu. Wudu is the special way we clean ourselves before praying and reading Quran. Let's learn it together. Before we begin wudu, we make niyyah in our hearts. Then we say, Bismillah. That means, in the name of Allah. First, Ali washes his hands 3 times. Then, he rinses his mouth 1, 2, 3. And then his nose, gently. 1, 2, 3. Now Ali washes his whole face, from his forehead all the way to his chin. Next, he washes his right arm to the elbow 3 times, and then his left arm the same way. Then Ali wipes his head with wet hands, just once. After that, he washes his right foot 3 times, and then his left foot 3 times. Now his wudu is almost complete. Ali is all done. Now he says the dua after wudu.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.
Well done, Ali. Friends, now you can try making wudu too.